Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is your own host teacher Fazan, and in today's lesson I'm going to teach you that how you can make images, right? You can uh, on Excel, for example, just I'm going to delete it for the time being to tell you how you can make it. This is a formula, ladies and gentlemen, just write it down. I'm going to zoom in for you. Got it? I'm going to zoom in for you so you can see is equal to image. This is the formula, image, then https://logo.clearbit.com/ and in my case this is C3. Whatever you have, just click it and then it appears, then end, then .com, then bracket close. Got it? This is a formula, ladies and gentlemen. So you will, when you enter it, and press the enter, it will appear. Right? When it will appear, so you can write, for example, Australia, Google, Coca-Cola. I just write it Meta, BMW, whatever you want. Okay, just PayPal, for example. If I write in here PayPal, so it will appear. Got it, ladies and gentlemen? So it's very easy. PayPal. Got it? So what you need to do, ladies and gentlemen, let me zoom out for a little bit. Just need here and double click. Paste the formula downwards. So I just write Australia, Google, Coca-Cola, Meta, images, forms like PayPal, BMW, right? For example, if you want to write it, so this is a formula. I hope you like the video. It's a very easy one. Until then, take a very good care of yourself and wait for more videos. Bye bye. Take care.